We are back at the Moseley 3-bed family house renovation project. So the ceiling has been skimmed, that's been boarded up. Essentially what we've had to do in this property is, because it's such an old property, is that we've had to go back to brick and essentially insulate everything. So the cement pad has gone down. As you can see here, there's a lot of damp along here, which has now appeared to have gone. So I think that the cement pad is actually the solution, and unfortunately you can never tell until it's all done. Thankfully it's working, because that would have been a bit of a headache. Cellar, front room, again, ceiling's been skimmed. I think that's just going to be insulated as well. Kitchen, so we've got the kitchen design now. The kitchen people has attended, they've sent design, and that's all fine. The fridge will be going here. I think the sink's going there, some counters here, that's available. Then the hob and oven's going there, that's the extractor fan area, some new units. And there is a lot of damp in here as well. Okay, so with regards to the downstairs bathroom, it turns out that the issue again, there wasn't any insulation, or the floor wasn't done properly. It actually just went straight onto the tile flooring that was originally here, so basically straight onto nothing. So yeah, we've had to put a new cement, pour some cement on the flooring here as well, and then rejigged the pipe work. So once this is drying now, so once that's dried, that's the air dehumidifier, they're going off. Once that's dried, then we can carry on. Ceiling, the ceiling has been done as well. Okay. Essentially everything, we're just waiting for everything to dry to continue. And if you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. We let manage high quality HMOs and single lets in and around Birmingham. Okay, so start with. Okay, so that's been stripped off. The banisters have been taken off. This will be repaired and then repainted, and then the banister will be put back on. First bedroom, all the walls have been skimmed. So this will be a really nice room actually, as you can see. So there's been nice, crisp, smooth walls. Upstairs bathroom, again everything was taken out, reboarded, re-skimmed, and then new bathroom units will go in there. As you look there, so the stairs had actually come through over there, so we've had to essentially cut that through, as you can see, to access the stairs, the step which is there. Quite shocking how thin these things are. That's going to be repaired, and that will be put back on as well. Bedroom number 3, again skimmed up there, and everything in here will be repainted. And then the final room, if I put my leg through the floor, this is the loft room. So we had to insulate everything in this room again. That's the original wall insulation over here. We actually didn't lose that much space in the end, which I'm really glad, because I was worried that it would lose a lot of space in this room, because that's how thick this insulation is. There you go, that's how thick it is. But actually it's still really nice large room, so that's really good. This will be repainted at the end. Still got the beams as well exposed, which gives it a lot of character. But now it's actually quite warm up here, so obviously it's working. Alright, hope that's been helpful. See you guys next one. Bye!